it's not only Umkhonto we Sizwe members, but a substantial number come from former members and leaders of Umkhonto we Sizwe, because of a correct observation that in its current configuration and direction, majority of MK members, including those that remain, they are not pleased with the manner in which the organization is run. That is a fact that defines a lot of members. A lot of people had trusted that this is an organization that is going to come in to be a replacement of the disappearing and dissipating former liberation movement, the ANC. But in its current configuration, the MK is not a viable vehicle to fight the battles of the people of South Africa in its current configuration. And if anyone says such is the case, it's not being truthful. It's not being truthful in terms of how they handle those issues.